Want to delete your Truecaller account permanently in 2025? Follow these simple steps to deactivate and remove your account for good. First, open the Truecaller app. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, go to Privacy Center and tap on Deactivate My Account. You'll see a few options. Check all of them, then tap Yes, Continue. Next, select a reason for leaving. Choose another reason and tap Continue. Finally, tap Deactivate to log out and disable your account. But that's not all. To completely remove your number from Truecaller's database, open a browser and search Truecaller Account Delete. Click on the first link and tap on Go to www.truecaller.com/unlisting. Now enter your registered phone number with the country code. If you still have access to your number, select Yes, then choose a reason, and tap Unlist, and that's it. Your Truecaller account is now permanently deleted, and your number will no longer be searchable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.